Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to use the Tradingview cloud-based infrastructure. All right, it's gonna be a quick video. We're not gonna waste too much time on this one at all. I'm just gonna give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's not waste any time at all and jump straight into it. Now the first step is going to be to access the cloud-based infrastructure. Now you can go ahead and access the cloud-based infrastructure by clicking on the cloud button that's in the Tradingview dashboard. Step 2 is going to be to create a new cloud-based project. Now you can just go ahead and create a new cloud-based project, such as a trading bot or market data analytics, or other applications. Just go ahead and create that. And step 3 is going to be to configure your cloud-based project. So now that you've chosen to create one, you can configure your cloud-based projects by setting up the infrastructure, scaling, as well as its security. And the fourth and final step will be to deploy and manage your cloud-based project. So deploy and manage your cloud-based projects, including monitoring performances, debugging issues, and updating codes. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use the Tradingview cloud-based infrastructure. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the